Everything.
First, we'll install the wheels onto the feet, like that. You do all four of them, and to any level you want, but we usually just put them a couple turns, just like that. Next, we'll put the flat piece on.
It's going to you going, no?
Yep. We're just going to lightly put it on until we lock it in. And continue the rest. All of them should look like this, with the bracket, the wheel, all four. First, gonna unclip the clip, take the plastic molding out, and put it to the side for now. So it looks like this. Now, okay. Now we'll turn the panel to the side. Remove the legs. Well, take it off from here, babe. Remove the legs. Unscrew this piece on the back, right? Remove the legs. Nice and nice. La la la. Hold on. You're gonna have to take all four screws out. Yeah, this thing's big.
Yeah,
okay. Good. Go ahead. Now we're gonna remove the screws off the bottom corner. There should be 4 screws. Remove the bottom plate. Now you got everything like this, and this is how you install the feet. Just make sure on the feet these bolts stick out. You slide it in right to there. You hold it. One person holds it right to the end, and you screw in those. Finish screwing those things you started. Okay. Now you put the second leg on. All the way. Have somebody hold it. You finish screwing what you started. Okay. Now you put your clip back in, and remember to put all 4 screws back. Okay, when you bolt these up, just make sure you leave them a little loose until you put your clip back in. Put your clip back in. Okay, just like you see it. Okay, so your screws back in while these are still a little loose. Okay. See, they're loose right now. Okay. Put all 4 back in. One, 2. That's 4 screws back in. So now your bottom trim is back in, and you just take it and you tighten up your brackets here. You know, hand tight. You don't need them too crazy. Okay, like this. Okay. And that's it. You do the second side the same way. And so now you go down, and that's what it should look like.